Hello, everybody. So I joined a swap with Anna's Wonderland. She is on Instagram and YouTube. This is Sam from Paper Besos, by the way. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're at. So Anna, I did a swap with her group. It's also Memory Decks Obsessed, and I will make sure to put all the links for you below so you can kind of check everyone out. It's a lot of talented people on here. I'm looking forward to seeing all things. So it was a swap for 3 memory decks. We were also supposed to include sequin and a wand. Da-da-da. So let me get to it. We swapped 3 and got 3. Of course, I sent 4 because I had to send something to the lovely Anna from Anna's Wonderland. So I'm going to stop doing this now. So first thing that just jumps out, look at this gnome. He's like, I love you. Be my Valentine. How cute is he? Look at him. I love how he's holding that up. And then you can just stand him up. Look at his little feet. How cute is he? There's Gnome Buddy Like You, Valentine. This is from Natalie. Thank you, Natalie. He's adorable. Oh, that's going to look so cute. What else was from Natalie, though? I'm not sure, but I will figure it out. I also got this. I assume that's from her, too, because it's another little gnome. How cute is he? I'm like wanting to do this. Maybe I should put him in my videos now, from now until the end of, February. Maybe I'll do this one. Maybe this one's included with it. I don't know. Hope everybody's doing okay. A lot of people have been sick and not doing well off and on, so you guys take care of yourselves. Oh, there's little memory decks. That has to be with Natalie's, because this one's got a little gnome on it. Oh my god, that is so cute. Look at the little bow. Look at the yummies inside. Sorry. It would be Sam if she didn't drop it. Handmade by Natalie. Thank you, Natalie. She's crafty. N-A-T. Nata. Crafty Nata Armstrong. Nata. Hey, girl, hey. And this opens up. And look at all the nummies inside. We've got some little foam flowers, beads, and there is the sequin mix. How cute! Look at the Be Mine. I'm using this because my nails look real bad and I just don't want y'all to see them. But this is super cute. Thank you, Natalie. This is really cute memory decks. So I have got to get myself something to put my memory decks cards, memory decks is in, because I don't have anything to display them, or I don't have a holder, so I need to get one. I love these so much. I used a lot of these to make the wands that I did for this swap. So if you haven't seen that, I will put a link so you can check it out. I had a lot of fun making these wands. I've never done it, so I was wondering the whole time, is this okay? Or I think it came out all right. Look how cute this one is. I love the blue. And look at the hearts in the back. I want this die cut. That's really pretty. Look at all the layers. And the fuzzy flowers, the bow. Look at the bead dangles. Aren't they pretty? Yes, they are. I'll answer that question for you. They're gorgeous. I love them. Thank you. Oh, we got some gnome socks. Those will be fun. And then she's got more foam flowers in here. Thank you. That is so pretty. One day I'm going to be as good as these ladies are. And here's our next one. Love never. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Here's this one. Look at this wand. Okay, it's got a shaker in there, and the heart's kind of going around. A foil heart in the background. That is so cute. Look at the little lippies. How cute is that? Look at the besito. That's really cute. This one is Toot Sweet Creations, or Creation, Susan Hagstrom. Hope I'm saying that last name right, babe. But Susan, that's really pretty. Thank you, Susan. And then look at, this is our sequin mix. Really decorated, super cute. I really like that. Look how pretty. These colors. Ooh, that's nice. Focus, Sam. And then here is memory decks. Cupid, arrows, kissies, envelope, hearts. It looks like a candy box. That's so cute. Look at this little bow. Packaging is so pretty. I don't want to open it. Opens at the bottom. Oh, thank you for that, Susan. She thought of everything. Look at it. It's got a shaker back there. Do you see that? That is so cute. That is adorable. Put them here as I open them. One more. Look at this packaging. Is that not cute? Sam's always the one untying everything. Why do I do that? Sorry. Sorry for all the noise. Because you know I do one take, all you get. So as I open, you're seeing it when I'm seeing it. This is a little loaded envelope. How cute is that? It says love. That is so cute how you've done that. Let me move these guys off the way a little bit. Just a little bit. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. So, layers. Lolly. That looks like yummy. Oh, look at the bubbles. It's got a little heart on there. You see it? Hearts. She packages so cute. Oops, sorry. Candy. If I wasn't filming, I would open this and eat it right now. No shame. This is really cute mix. Look at that. Is that pretty? See all the bits and the candy. That's really cute too. And it says, hi. Little card. Thanks for swapping. This is from Elecia. Elecia Smith. Thank you, babe. This is so pretty. Look at it. I love that. And here is Samantha proof. Doesn't take much, but I'm gonna tell you that. I have a hard time, sorry. It's really stuck. Wait. Scissors. Got it. I'll buy my stuff. Alright. Here's the cute memory decks. Look how cute. A little bag. Wait, is that cupcake? Oh, wait, it says pull. Hey, cupcake. That's so cute. So cute. Why is that so cute to me? And then this comes out. Oh. Happy Valentine's Day. Look at the love and the little heartbeat. That is cute. Where did you get that? I love that. Sweet Valentine swap hosted by Memory Decks Obsessed, January 2022, handmade by the lovely Elecia. Thank you. This is so pretty. Look at it. It's a little bolsita, a little purse. That is so cute and creative. Man, I never would have thought of something like that. That is cute. And then the little cupcake thing. You got me, girl. You got me at that. And look at all the layers. You got all the peekaboo layers. Isn't that cute? Yes, it is. Answering that question for you. It's gorgeous. Look at that. She tied it really cute too, so I wanted to at least, like, you know, show you before I rip it to shreds. Sorry. Sorry, cute packaging. Sorry. Look how cute. What does that have in there? Can you see? Let me turn this off so you can see it better. There's a cupcake in there. A bunch of bedazzling hearts and candy kisses, or candy pieces. Stars. It says you're a sweetie. Look at the layers. I love layers. I love all the lash trim. What a cute idea. And there's some little dangles on there. This is so cute. Thank you. Beautiful. I love it. I'm so glad I did this. This is my first one that I've done with Anna. With Anna. Is it Anna or Anna? I think it's Anna. Spanish is Anna. Look how cute everything is. I love everything. Thank you so much, ladies, for all the cuteness. Bye. Love you. Besos. Bye.